What's up, Lowe's fam? Welcome back to another video. Recently, we just put out the Lufi Revolution X multi-display unit that we are going to be actually installing today. But first, I know what you're thinking. You're going, Lowe's, why the frig is your hair so disgusting again? Well, it's because I've been on nights and, I don't do much when I'm on nights. That's a lie, though, actually. I just what did I do? The last, 2 hours when I got up, for 2 hours, I sanded drywall mud. And then I put up Tara's egg chair out on the deck, and it's hot as balls out. Anyways, let's get into this video. Boom, there she is. So today we're gonna be doing the install, just a quick install video. There's the unit there. And there's what you get in here, your OBD2 connection, wiring kit, and mounting hardware. This video is going to be a two-parter, one part. It's gonna be a full video, but it's gonna be like a couple different days of video filming and whatnot and editing, because today right now is going to be the install, and then all this week I'm going to be just testing it out, gathering my thoughts on the unit, and compiling it all, and then at the end of the video I'll let you guys know what I think of the unit. Alright, so there is a mounting plate, a screw, there's the screw head there, and a nut, or a bolt, you can see it in there, and a nut. So you're gonna wanna secure the unit to the mounting base. Now be careful with this base right here, because it is very flimsy. And I think that's due to the fact that you're able to mold this to the shape of your interior. So that's kind of cool too. And then you get the 3M double-sided tape to go with it as well, and like I said earlier, the OBD2 connection wiring. Let's go find a spot to slap this on the interior of the Turbo Forte. Okay, so first things first here, it is hot as balls outside, so you're gonna see me start sweating, but I've already run into a slight issue. So I have a 2016 Forte Coupe SX Turbo, and already off the bat, when I locate my OBD2, it is covered by the fuse panel. So the fuse panel on the interior, and I'll show you right now. So as you can see, it is completely covered up by that fuse panel. So I'll just show you. Right, so you pop that back in, and that's where it is, right there behind this little cover. So I'm probably gonna have to Dremel this out a bit right here to make an opening so I can connect the wiring properly. But for now, we're just gonna have to leave it off until we do come up with a solution for that. So just letting you guys know everything I run into with this, all the pros and cons about it. But that being said, let's figure out a spot where we want to put it on the dash. That's the next part. So my dash is kind of wonky as well. It has a lot of curves, a lot of dips. Like dips and stuff, like right here, it dips in, and then it comes up, and then dips in again back there, and it dips off there. So I'm gonna have to find, I wanted to put it on the left side over here, but I'm not sure if that's gonna work, but we'll see. I didn't really want to put it in the middle, but that looks like it's the flattest spot. So if we do put it there, I kind of don't want to see the wire running though, so I might have to drill in, and I don't want to drill into the dash at all. But yeah, I'm not sure. I'm gonna ponder this one for a few minutes, I think. Just really figure out where I want to put this. Honestly guys, I'm thinking on the left side here is actually gonna be where I mount it. Just because there's looks to be enough space. It doesn't overhang on any of those like dips that I have in my interior, and I can run the wiring right behind, so like basically right from here in behind the A pillar, down, along, underneath, and then up, and I can hide it up inside here, so the wiring will be stuffed in here, and then the OBD2 will stick there, so hopefully you won't even really see the wire at all. That's the plan. I think we have a freaking solid plan, so we're gonna go ahead with it and start removing some pieces, see if we can get this wiring up and cleaned up and put it up there nice. All right, so the hardest part of this stupid project right now has been getting this A pillar off because of that annoying little clip right there. Man, those things are so annoying. I hate that at like every Kia I've owned have had these little clips that you have to like get a friggin' get two flathead screwdrivers, pinch them on each side, top and bottom, and then it'll pop out. But man, they are annoying. Anyways, let's see about running this wiring, I guess now. Oop, excuse me. We have made some progress. Yeah, it's looking freaking good. It's looking clean like I wanted it to. Let's give you guys a preview of how it's looking on the install here. We have our dongle in through the fuse box area, up through this portion here, into the A pillar, and coming out down at the back there. So hopefully where I'm gonna put this unit, you don't see much wiring and it looks super, super clean. Okay, it is mounted, secured, it's plugged in. All we need to do now is do a little bit of a B-roll for you guys, turn it on and see what happens. So first turn on, it's asking me if I want to keep the system universal. I think I want, do I want to change it? No. All right, so anyways guys, now that it's mounted, installed, the wires are, or the wire is hidden, it's working. I'm gonna take the next couple days and really play around with the settings and everything like that, figure out what interface I like to run, and then give you guys my overall opinion on it as well. Just to give you one last look here. There it is, mounted. It's reading a whole bunch of information right now. I have not set anything up other than the clock. So this week, that's what I'll be doing, is going through all the settings, reading the manual over thoroughly, and just really getting a good idea of what this unit can do and display. That being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Wait, we're not ending it here yet. All right, fast forward to a couple days right now. All right, guys, we gotta get one thing straight. My hair is never going to be perfect. That was freaking hot. Welcome. You see what I did there? Welcome back to the channel. Well, I mean, you didn't really go anywhere because this is still the same video, just extended. But today we're going to talk about the Lufi Multi-display from N75 Motorsports, and it is, oh my god, it's bright out here. Holy. We've been running with it for a few days now, so let's talk about it. All right, so let's taco about it. Oh, clutch wasn't in. Turn the air on for this because it's freaking blistering hot out. All right. I don't know if this is gonna be easy for you guys to see or not, but anyways, guys, I love this little unit. It has so much customization in it, it's not even funny. Like, you can change the colors of the LEDs in it. You can change what's displayed on here. It's gonna be really hard to see just because the sun is at this angle right now at the time of day. There we go. But this display port is awesome. It has so much information that you can display. Like, I can't even begin to tell you how much information. So there's system setup, display, all that stuff. You can't even see this because of the sun right now. But trust me, when you're driving, like, you can see everything. It's not affected. This is weird. Anyways, I guess I'll just talk to you guys about it since it's kind of hard to see it right now. But yeah, you can do time attack. You can do like time your quarter mile and stuff. It'll read and scan codes. There's a sequential indicator LED bar on the top to let you know when the best time to shift is. Like, it's pretty freaking cool. I like this Lufi Revolution X multi-display port. It's small, it's sleek, it doesn't take up too much room, and it looks good. There's 3 different display modes as well, with different looks to them. You can play around with it, you can change everything, and you can change the information that's displayed. I just think that if you're looking for something small, sleek, clean looking design, this is the product for you. You know, I didn't want to run a bunch of wires and have the headache of doing all that and running them through my firewall and having all that work to do. This time around on this build, I'm looking for like a lot more simple. Like, I don't want to go, you know, I don't even know what I'm saying half the time in these vlogs. This time around on the build, I didn't want to run a bunch of stupid wires all through the firewall and try and hide everything when I can do the same thing with one unit rather than having a bunch of gauges. That was my goal, and we accomplished that with the Lufi Revolution X from N75 Motorsports. I am super happy with this product. It is amazing. If it's something that you've been looking at or been hemming and hawing on, trust me when I say go frickin' buy it right now. What are you waiting for? Go do it now. Why are you still here? Go frickin' get this product. Go buy it right now. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Peace out, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.